What are you eating? Ah, what's that? How about you?
Ring pop.
Anong ginawa nila?
Huh?
Anong ginawa nila?
Wala. What did you learn today? What? What did you learn today?
I did not listen to this.
You did not listen. Why? Where did you go?
We went to the dance party.
The dance party? There's a dance party there?
Yeah. We did not behave.
Ah.
And we went to a chair and we sit down and Sky did not listen. No, I just let it slip on chair.
You're sitting on your chair?
Yeah.
Or you slip on your chair?
Yeah. Just let it slip on chair.
Ano, Sarah?
Yeah,
Yeah, so kakatapos nga lang natin mag-church and then after that papunta tayo dun sa Mississauga Rib Fest. Pero for now, dito lang ako sa CIBC. Mag-withdraw lang ako kasi I think yung mga transactions doon mostly cash lang. Yun, so nakapag-withdraw na nga ako. Actually, ang daming nangyari this weekend. Pero sige, kwento ko na lang mamaya pagdating ko dun sa Rib Fest. And yun, pabalik na ako ng sasakyan. And then diretso na ako doon kasi yun nga, medyo hahanapin pa namin yun kasi sa may Erin Mills town center siya, pero hindi ko alam which side doon sa parking. Actually last year nagpunta na ako doon, pero ngayon tingnan natin kung meron bang difference or same lang as last year. Yun, so andito na nga kami. Baba lang sila. Pero yun nga, medyo makulimlim na naman. Sana hindi naman umulan kasi the past few days medyo nag-uulan ng malakas. Enzo, are you ready to eat? So dito yung entrance. So yeah, ito nakapila na kami. Meron pala siyang entrance fee na $2. So itong nasa harap namin, mabait. Meron daw siyang extra, binigay sa amin itong VIP pass, pero hindi ko alam kung ano magagawa nito.
Daddy, can we play some games?
What game? Ah, there.
Are you going to play some games, Mommy?
So actually nakapasok na kami. So etong VIP pass, hindi na ako pinabayad ng entrance fee na $2. So itong dalawang bata wala ring bayad. So ang nagbayad na lang si Sarah at si Jamie. And yun nga, yeah.
Drink na, let's go.
Huh?
Let's drink.
Hello.
Drink now.
So hindi kami nag-uusap, pero dito rin si Don. Nauna pa sila. And yeah, si Carlene. And last year nga, dito rin kami. Kasama ko si Jason. Pero siguro 1 hour or 2 hours before na mag-close tong Rib Fest, tsaka lang kami dumating. Kaya halos wala na kami inabutan. Kaya ngayon, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Ayan, may nagbebenta ng beer. And yun, maraming nagtitinda ng rib siguro kasi Rib Fest nga. Pero yun, meron ding mga laruan na pambata. So, syempre, check natin kung magkano muna. Yan, yung mga freebies.
Yeah?
Oh, you draw, baby.
Draw.
Yeah, go draw. Draw
So you procrastinate with us, you gotta do.
Okay.
Quick question here, takes a minute of your time and you get a free gift.
Oh wow.
And so, marunong mag-draw. Magsulat ng
I wonder
pangalan
who that
niya.
is.
What is that, Sky?
That's a song.
What is
That's
that?
me? Oh, you ready? I can
Are
make
you
it. I
ready?
can.
Yeah. You want to
Let's get tortured.
Okay. All right. Let's put your name on.
This is the carded baby.
Oh, this one. Okay, I'll put your name. Okay.
No, ano naman daw makukuha dyan?
Shade.
Ayan, may free na shade. What do you get? Oh.
Glasses.
What do you say, Sky?
What do you say? You have two.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right. Let's go.
I love you.
Yo. Let's go. Sorry. Are you done?
Just do a 1-minute survey and we got free gifts. Sunglasses.
Nice. What do you have with us? So
Nice.
what we're doing is we're comparing rates. So if you do the questionnaire and select auto insurance, we will give you a free quote and you can compare yourself.
Beautiful.
They're doing it already.
Oh, what will you say, Enzo?
Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
the same auto insurance for.
Let's go.
Daddy, do you want?
Women, look at you. Okay. Oh, let's go find the seats. Oh, ito, meron na pala. Ayun. Unfortunately, medyo umaambon. Pero hopefully, hindi siya tumuloy. Ayan na nga. Umulan na.
Just go down.
I know, that's good, right? So we can sit down.
So good thing naman, naglast lang siya ng 5 minutes. Pero hindi natin alam kasi medyo madilim pa rin. So hindi ko alam kung talagang cloudy lang today or uulan siya ng matagal. Yun, sila doon naka-order na. Kami naman ni Jamie ang order. So sabi nila, nag-work nga daw tong VIP pass. So hindi na sila pumila. Kasi yun, kahit na umulan, medyo may pila pa rin. Pero siguro, tignan muna namin kung saan ba masarap. So check out natin to. Actually, yung price niya, tinignan namin, halos pare-pareho lang. $34 yung full wrap, then kalahati 18. Then yung 1/3, $12. So, tignan natin kung anong orderin natin dito. Ayun, naghiwalay muna kami ni Jamie. Punta muna ako dito sa Blooming Onion. Actually, last year, nabanggit ko nga na nagpunta nga kami dito ni Jason. Hi!
Hey man, you gotta come down to Gator Barbecue.
Oh,
All the way
later.
from Everglades.
I'm just gonna check this out first.
You have a good
Okay.
day.
Ayun, so last year nga, nagpunta nga kami ni Jason dito. Pero ito nga lang yung natikman namin, itong Blooming Onions. Kasi 1 hour or 2 hours before kami, ayun pala sila doon. Ayun, marami pa rito. Ito, fries, butane, ito, slush, donut, jerk chicken. Yeah, but again, ayan, maambon na naman. So hindi ko alam kung paano kami kakain. So ayun nga, meron ding laruan dito na parang perya. Pero hindi ko alam kung magkano. Yeah, umuulan na naman. What are you guys doing there?
Hiding for the rain coming.
Yan, nakabili na. Pero umuulan. Paano na?
Spicy on top, value sauce. And then
Okay. Yun, so since yung Rib Fest, nasa parking naman siya ng mall. So papasok na lang kami ng mall, doon na lang kami kakain. Malakas sa ulan, basa kami lahat. Are you okay, Sky?
Yes, it's ready. My friend, I have when my clothes.
change shirt. Okay,
Tell me, change like this.
So ito rin yung spicy, ito yung normal. So ito yung ribs. Gano'ng kalaki to?
Full.
Full slab. Tapos ito yung onion na ito lang yung natikman namin ni Jason last year. Tapos ito chicken para sa mga bata. So subukan natin to. Nakalimutan ko na kasi kung ano yung lasa nito. So ito, subukan natin yung spicy. Konti lang muna dahil baka mga sobrang anghang.
Baka hindi siya spicy.
Pero pwede pa naman kami balik mamaya as long as hindi mabura itong ano namin, stamp. Yun. So masarap naman siya. Sobrang lambot. Lasang barbecue. Pero gusto ko sana na mas maanghang pa kasi mahilig ako sa spicy. Ikaw, natikman mo na? Yun, so nakabalik na nga kami kasi yun nga, tumila na nga yung ulan. And then akala ko kanina hindi na sila uli magbubukas kasi medyo pasara na nga rin kasi 4 PM na and I think hanggang 6 lang sila. Pero since tumila nga yung ulan, sabi nila, kinausap nila yung mga nagtitinda rito na kung okay pa sila na magbukas. So okay naman, kaya eto.
The half rate.
Just for you?
That's for her.
Ano to?
You want some? Beef brisket na sandwich.
Yeah. And?
Putin.
Sayang wala si Jinky, no?
Yeah.
Nag-message pa naman siya sa akin yesterday. Yun, so shout out Jinky daw. Kasi kahapon, sabi niya pupunta siya rito. Pero unfortunately, hindi nga siya makakasunod kasi nasa Niagara pa siya. So, there's mommy.
Can I try this?
Ano yan?
Funnel cake.
Funnel cake. Magkano na naman to?
50.
Yummy!
Or try it.
You don't like rice coffee?
It looks like a strawberry. You like a cheap?
Is it good? How about you, Enzo? Try it. Good? Enzo, what's that?
Just buy one. Just buy one.
This one is
Ayan, so free refill siya. Pero medyo mahal. Magkano bili mo dyan?
Hindi siya free. $15.
Oh, $15 pero refillable.
Refillable.
Pero pag hindi refillable,
13.
$13. That's so self-service.
Oh.
Ikaw na kukuha.
Why are you playing with games?
What?
This is poisonous.
What else? Let's come back again. It's yummy.
So is it yummy, Enzo?
It's better than the blue one.
Wait.
What?
Sky, wait.
You high five him? You high five Chase?
Hey, Sky. Sky. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Say bye-bye. Oh, let's go. Yan, ganyan, masaya na sila. Tapos ito si Sky. Yan, takbo lang ng takbo. Ah, Sky, stand up.
Hey, don't do that on purpose.
Oh, that's funny.
That's funny.
No, that's not funny.
That's funny.
Why? What are they doing?
Balloons. Balloons.
Suris, just say hi.
Gusto mo, you want to learn some Tagalog 101? I know 3 words. Kumusta?
Kamusta?
Mabuti.
Mabuti. Yun, so pupunta ako dun sa entrance kasi tumawag si Jason. Sumunod pala siya. Pero wala daw siyang dalang cash. So papasundo siya rin. Wala, walang pera.
Mag-withdraw ko. Mag-withdraw muna ako.
Withdraw muna. Yan, sila. Nahiya pa.
Told you.
Yun, so almost 6:30 na, pauwi na rin kami. Nagkayayaan na kasi sobrang init na rin dito. Ayun nga, paiba-iba yung weather dito. Kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan, tapos ngayon naman sobrang init. So, ayan, uwi na rin. Pero kahit na 6:30 na, may mga pila pa rin dito. Pero kami, uwi na kami. Yun, so pabalik na nga kami sa kotse, no? Dahil uwi na kami. Pero bago ko tapos itong video, gusto ko na magpasalamat kay ate na na-meet namin last week sa Square One sa may food court sa Thai Express. Yun, so thank you rin sa panonood ng video ko. And of course, syempre, thank you sa pa-discount that time, no? So siguro, dito ko na muna tatapusin itong video. So again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!